homemade horchata ice cream and my homemade churros made with DivineKuizine pancake mix. So you're gonna have 1 cup of white rice. You're gonna take 4 cups of water and 2 cinnamon sticks, and we're gonna let this soak and sit overnight. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna make this horchata. So I let my 4 cups of rice and cinnamon sit overnight so it's real murky. The water is real murky, but it got all that season of that rice for our horchata for Cinco de Mayo. I can smell the cinnamon in this rice too. So we're just gonna blend this up. This is a real easy drink to make. So blend it up. Soak your water. You want it to look murky like this. Then we're gonna take 1 can of condensed milk. All that sweetness in there. You want sweetened. You're gonna take a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Pour that in there. Then you're going to take two tablespoons of DivineKuizine sugar spice. 2 tablespoons of DivineKuizine sugar spice. 1 cup of sugar, white sugar. 2 cups of milk, of whole milk. We're gonna blend this baby up. Open it up. Look at all that cinnamon bits, y'all. So now we're gonna use a strainer, a sieve, because we just want the goodness. Ice cubes. Okay, so we're gonna take the horchata and we're gonna pour it into the bowl. Make sure you get all your goodness, all that good cinnamon, DivineKuizine sugar mixture all in there for this yummy ice cream. It's super easy. Then you're gonna take 2 cups of heavy cream and pour that in there. All creamy in there. And then we're just gonna blend this into peaks. So now I'm getting ready just to pour it in here in a container, and then we're gonna freeze it overnight. Then we'll have horchata. Okay, so first we're gonna use some DivineKuizine's pancake mix as the flour for our churros. Okay, so we're gonna have 1½ cup of DivineKuizine's pancake mix. Then you're gonna take some lukewarm water, about 1 cup of that, and you're gonna pour it into your mix. You're gonna add your 1 egg. And we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil. It's great to use olive oil or grapeseed oil, but you can use whatever oil that you want to use. And we're going to mix all this together. want it to be pretty much this consistency. We're gonna let it sit to the side for about 10 minutes just to let it rest, and then we're gonna put it in our piping bag. So this is the consistency that you would like it to be. Yeah, so it's been rested for about 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna put it in the piping bag. This is the way I do it. I mean, you can hold it, but what I do is I put it in a cup, put my piping tip on the bottom, put it in a cup, and then put all the mixture in here. Put it all in here. Okay, y'all. It's a little tricky at the ends when you're trying to do the tips. Finished doing the churros. It's kind of hard to do the piping. That's a little difficult, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to get better on my piping skills. But I tasted one off camera and it tastes really, really good. So now I'm just taking it and putting it in the sugar. My DivineKuizine sugar spice. I'm gonna shake them all up in here. And then we have our horchata ice cream. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Have them all, shake them up, top on. Churros, I'll get better with the piping, but they're gonna be delicious on the ice cream. Have the ice cream, drum roll. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. It's nice and creamy ice cream. So let's go in and make our ice cream with our churros. Okay, y'all, so we got our ice cream. And now we're gonna put our churros on top. Churro ice cream. They could be better, but we have them on here. I have some, dang, if I can get into it. Drizzle with some caramel sauce. Get this little drizzle going, y'all. Dessert. Cannot wait to go in and eat this. So to get this recipe and many more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all.